Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be testing out Vice Cosmetics makeup. Now this video is actually inspired by you guys. Someone left me a comment saying they wanted me to do a review on the new Vice Cosmetics foundation, so that's exactly what inspired this video. So I have the foundation right here and I have other Vice products. I've never tried Vice Cosmetics before, so this is gonna be my first time trying it out, so I'm super excited for that. Also, I have a very special surprise for all of you, especially to my loyal subscribers, so be sure to watch to the end of the video to see your surprise. Don't forget to subscribe, ring the bell, like this video, comment down below and all that awesome stuff, and let's get into this video. Right now my face is basically bare except for my eyebrows, which I did off camera. This is the Vice Duo Finish Foundation, so it comes in this beautiful hot pink packaging, and as you guys can see, it's very reflective, which I think is really awesome. It's also sealed very well. This whole thing is wrapped in plastic. This foundation claims to be oil control, buildable, and blurring, and it also has SPF 25. Now I think it's really great that they added SPF to the foundation because, especially since we all live in a tropical country, it's very important that we protect our skin from the sun. This is how it looks like on the inside. This is the shade Kinessa, so it comes with the powder foundation right here and a sponge. Since this is a powder foundation, it can be applied either dry or wet, so I'm gonna try applying it dry first and then I'm gonna do it wet later. I'm gonna start on my under eyes and just drag it down to the rest of my face. I just did one layer on the right side of my face, so this is how it looks like. So this is my skin bare and this is it with one layer of the powder foundation. So looking at it right now, it actually looks really mattified, so it really took away the shine of my skin, which I like. I actually prefer my skin to be matte finish. But as for the coverage, it's not very full. Like, it's a very light coverage, which I'm okay with sometimes, but I do want a little bit more coverage. But it also said that it is buildable, so I'm gonna try to build it up. This is how 2 layers of the foundation looks like. It actually has way more coverage than just doing 1 layer, so I definitely prefer doing 2 layers, and this has so much more coverage. It covered up all my red spots and my veins, so I think that is great. This is how my skin looks like without the foundation, and this is how it looks like with 2 layers. Let's take a closer look. So this foundation definitely emphasizes all of the textures of my face. So my pores look really huge right here by my cheek and also here by my nose. There's just a lot of dry skin patches that it's emphasizing. I mean, yeah, of course I expected this because it is a foundation powder, so no surprise there. But this is, I don't know, this is just not the type of skin I want for myself. But of course, this is me applying it dry, so now I'm gonna try applying it wet. I'm gonna use my damp sponge to apply it wet on the left side of my face. This is how 1 layer of the foundation looks like when applied with a damp sponge. Now it actually looks way smoother than applying it with the dry sponge, so I would definitely go with the wet technique. But the thing is, the coverage is basically the same. It's light coverage with 1 layer, so now I'm gonna try to build it up. This is it. I'm basically done putting on the foundation, so this is how it ended up looking like. I ended up putting 2 layers of the foundation, and I found that applying it dry wasn't really for me because it really emphasized all of my pores and the textures of my face, so I wasn't really into that. But when I applied it with the damp sponge, that's when everything just became better. So it looked a bit smoother, but it still kind of emphasized my pores, but not as bad as when you apply it dry. And I also went over the dry side with the sponge, so it looks way better now than it did earlier. Right now, I'm having a lot of mixed feelings about this foundation because from afar, it looks pretty good. The coverage is great. It covered up the redness and my veins and, you know, the weird spots that I have on my face. But if you look closely, you'll really see the texture of my skin, and it also emphasizes my pores, which I'm not really into. Let's go back to what this foundation claims to do. So it claims to do oil control. Now this definitely did control the oil on my face. Now I know where I usually become oily and there's just no oil whatsoever on my face, which I think is really great. So yeah, this definitely does do oil control. So another claim it has is it's buildable. This is completely true. I did 2 layers on my face and I had no problems whatsoever. It melded beautifully together, both layers. So I think this is definitely buildable. Actually didn't even end up being cakey. And I think that's because I used the damp sponge. It also claims to be blurring. Now this one is a bit confusing for me because yes, it did blur certain parts of my face, but at the same time, it emphasized certain patches on my face also. So I think this is really dependent on how good your skin is. I mean, there really are smooth spaces on my face, so it definitely did blur those out. But I also have, you know, those dry or textured patches on my face, so it did not really blur that out. It actually emphasized it, especially the bumps I have here and the pores I have on my cheeks. So I guess it does it, but not really. Let's jump into the Vice Ganda Trio. So I actually picked this up because you get 3 products for $495, which I think is such a great deal. And if you just want to try all their different formulas, this is a great way to do it. You just have to pick up this trio set and you get to try everything. So each trio set actually comes with a matte liquid lipstick, water gel lip and cheek tint, and Good Vibes matte lipstick. So those are 3 completely different products and I'm very interested to try all of it. I picked up 2 types of sets. So this one is the Palaban set and this one is the Pasweet set. So looking at the colors right now, I'm kind of liking the Pasweet set more, so this is what we're gonna be playing around with today. This is how it looks like. I really love the packaging. Actually, I think it's great that they put it in this way. This one is the Water Gel Lip and Cheek Tint in the shade Choz. Let's just do a little swatch. Ooh, this is actually very watery. Let's just add more. So that is how the color looks like. So let's just spread it around. Wow, I may have put too much, but this is basically how the blush color will look like. Wow, it actually dries pretty fast, so you really have to work as fast as you can with this product. I'm actually a bit worried applying this directly to my face because I just applied a powder foundation, so that doesn't really mesh well with liquid products, but you know, let's see. Why not? I'll just put 2 dots, hopefully that's enough. Then I'll spread it really fast. That didn't do much, so I'm gonna add more. Maybe there. I think that's a good enough amount. Okay, there we go. Just spread it out faster. That looks pretty good. You just have to work with it as fast as you can. And I think it also helps that I'm using a damp beauty sponge. I mean, look at that. This is what ended up happening with my cheek. It just has a super defined blush on it, which is not a very good look. So I've been trying to figure out how to fix it and I figured it out. So what I ended up doing was I super drenched my sponge in water and I just put it on top and it just blends away the line, which I think is really great and it makes it look more natural. I also discovered the best way to apply this tint. So what I ended up doing was I just put a big clump of it here on my hand and then I picked it up with my sponge and then I just spread it around. Now the thing about this is you have to work as fast as you can so that the product looks as natural as possible. This is how the blush ended up looking like, so you just need to give it a few seconds to dry and it's gonna look pretty good. This water gel tint is definitely something that you shouldn't put on top of a powder foundation because they just don't mesh well. You can put this on with liquid foundation or on your bare skin. That would look really great. I just had such a problem applying it right now because I used a powder foundation, so that was my bad. I shouldn't have done that, but you know, I still think it looks pretty good. Applying this with a super damp sponge really did make the application so much better. It made it easier. I ended up with more playtime with it, and it just ended up looking more natural on the skin, which I think is really great. So this one I would definitely use again, but I'd be more careful when I use it. This is the Good Vibes Matte Lipstick in the shade Pink Bacamo. I did not expect this color. It's a super bold pink shade, which I don't really go for, but it actually looks really pretty. I mean, if you're the type who loves shades like these, I think this is a really good lipstick to try because it actually feels so good on the lips, and I even layered on tons and tons of layers and it didn't get patchy, so I think that's great. And it's also very moisturizing, but it doesn't look super glossy. Now I'm gonna try out the Vice Phenomenal Lip Kit. So I got two shades. I got it in Girly and Benjamin. Now this is actually the first thing I ever bought, but I never really tried it out until now. So I'm super excited to see if I'm gonna like these. So when these first came out, a lot of people said that they were basically dupes of the Kylie one. So I'm so excited to see if it really is. The Phenomenal Lip Kit comes with the matte liquid lipstick and the matching lip liner. So for today, I'm going to be trying out the shade Benjamin. This is how the lip liner looks like. This is such a cute color. Okay, so it broke. So I'm just gonna line it with this small thing and I hope it works. Well, it's working a little bit. I just can't see what I'm doing. This is the best I can do with the lip liner. I actually really liked how it applied. It went on really creamy, really smooth. Even though I just used that little bit of it, it actually went on really well, which I really like. So I just have to figure out how to sharpen this, and you know, I can use it more. Now I'm gonna try out the liquid lipstick. This is the Phenomenal Matte Liquid Lipstick. This is how the doe foot looks like. It's very oblong-y, so I'm not sure if I can get a precise application on this, but you know, I'm gonna try. This matte liquid lipstick is definitely my favorite product today. I think it went on so easily. It went on really creamy and smooth, and I put on a lot of layers and it didn't become patchy at all, which I think is really great. Also, the color is very beautiful. This is definitely something I can use every day. It started out really creamy and then it dried down to this very beautiful matte finish, which I really like. It also feels really good on the lips. It doesn't feel heavy at all, which I think is great, especially for an everyday lipstick. I also think this is transfer proof, so let's test it out. Yep, definitely transfer proof. There is nothing on my hands right now, and this is really great. I am so happy that I discovered this product. That is it. That is all of the Vice Cosmetics products that I have to test out today. I basically did a full face of Vice products. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. Now it's time for my surprise for all of you, but before we get into that, I just want to announce the winner of my BTLA giveaway. So the lucky winner of the BTLA products is Julie Olieres. So congratulations to Julie Olieres. You just won my BTLA giveaway. So congratulations. I hope you enjoy the product. So I'm going to be messaging you on Instagram so I can send you all of the stuff. Now to everyone who joined my giveaway, thank you guys so much for joining, for subscribing, and for all of your awesome comments. I really enjoyed looking through all of them. I'm so sorry if I haven't replied to all of it. It's a lot of comments, so I think I went through a few hundreds and then I don't know, I just couldn't go through all of them. So I'm so sorry if I haven't replied to it yet, but thank you guys so much for all of your comments and for joining. I really appreciate it. I was actually so overwhelmed and so happy at the response at my giveaways, so I've decided to do another giveaway for you guys, and I'm calling it my Summer Essentials giveaway. For my Summer Essentials giveaway, I put together 10 sets of prizes for all of you. So for this giveaway, there will be 10 winners, and I am so excited because I already picked 5 winners. So what I did was I went through my recent videos and I picked 5 random comments from different videos, and they are the lucky winners. Well, they are the first 5 winners of my Summer Essentials giveaway. All of my Summer Essentials sets come with bikinis, earrings, skincare, and makeup. All of the products are really random, none of the sets are the same, and the bathing suits, of course, it really depends on your sense of style. So I'm gonna be messaging the winners, asking them what colors they like, what type of designs, and I'm gonna be picking bikinis based on that. I just wanted to surprise everyone with this giveaway, so I hope you all enjoy it. Now, I already picked my first 5 winners of my Summer Essentials giveaways, and these are the winners. The first winner of my Summer Essentials giveaway is Vina Mariz Ocampo. So congratulations to you. You just won this beautiful Summer Essentials set. The second winner is Yani Mangubat Diaz. So congratulations to Yani, you just won this Summer Essentials set. The third winner is Angelica Manalili. So congratulations to Angelica, you just won this Summer Essentials kit. The fourth winner is Princess Shafia Kamal. So congratulations to Princess, you just won this kit. My last winner is Roy Cabrera. So congratulations to Roy, you just won this Summer Essentials kit. Congratulations to the first 5 winners of my Summer Essentials giveaway. I hope you guys enjoy your prizes, and I'm gonna be messaging you all one by one so I can send you all of the stuff you want. I have 5 more Summer Essential kits to give away to all of you. So if you would like to join this giveaway, all you have to do is to subscribe to my channel, follow me on Instagram, and of course to comment on my videos in the upcoming month. For my Summer Essentials giveaway, at the end of the month, I'm going to be picking 5 random videos, and from those videos, I will be picking 1 random comment each, and those people will be the winners of my Summer Essentials giveaway. Check out the description box for the full mechanics, and I hope you all join, and I hope you all enjoy this giveaway. I really love doing giveaways because I really want to show you guys how much I love you and appreciate you. I really do love that you guys come over to my channel, watch my videos, make an effort to comment. I really do love talking to you guys, so I hope you guys continue to do that. I really try to reply to all of your messages and comments, so thank you guys so much for taking the time to talk to me, and of course for supporting me here on YouTube. That's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys on my next video. Mwah!